The hidden dangers of burning the midnight oil. A lot of us have been there, up late, tirelessly working, or perhaps mindlessly scrolling through social media. But what are the true costs of such a nocturnal lifestyle? Staying up late affects cognitive functions. Sleep deprivation leads to decreased focus and memory retention. It reduces our ability to solve problems, make decisions, and even affects our creativity. Your mood is also at risk. Lack of sleep can lead to mood swings, irritability, and can increase the risk for mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. Physically, your body suffers too. Long-term sleep deprivation has been linked to chronic conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. It weakens your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. Your skin health is compromised as well. Lack of sleep accelerates the aging process, leading to premature wrinkles, dull complexion, and dark under-eye circles. Productivity takes a back seat when you're up late regularly. As your body strives to cope with lack of rest, your energy levels drop, reducing your overall productivity. Sleep deprivation also increases the risk of accidents. A foggy brain coupled with reduced motor skills are a dangerous mix, whether you're behind the wheel or simply navigating your daily routine. Your relationships may suffer too. Irritability and moodiness can strain your interactions with others, leading to misunderstandings and conflicts. Poor sleep also impacts your diet. It disrupts the body's regulation of appetite, leading to overeating and unhealthy food choices, which can contribute to weight gain. Staying up late also affects your body's natural circadian rhythm, throwing off your internal body clock. This disruption can lead to insomnia and other sleep disorders. Finally, lack of sleep can lead to poor quality of life. With compromised physical and mental health, productivity, and relationships, life satisfaction can significantly decrease. So next time you're tempted to burn the midnight oil, consider the hidden costs. Good night, sleep tight, and don't let the bedbugs bite.